In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix slow internet on your PC on Windows 11. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, there's a few different things you can do. The very first thing I'd recommend doing is if you're using Wi-Fi, try and connect to an Ethernet cable because your speeds are generally just going to be a lot faster because it will be connected directly to your router. Now, the second thing you want to do is right-click on your Wi-Fi, then go to network and internet settings. It's going to open up something like this. And then all you want to do is at the bottom, press advanced network settings, which will show this as well. Now, all you want to go ahead and do here is go to network adapters, choose whether you're on Wi-Fi or Ethernet. I'm on Wi-Fi right now. So I want to press this little drop down menu. And then all I got to do is go ahead and click on more adapter options. It's going to open up this little thing right here. So now from here, all I got to do is go to Internet Protocol version 4, double click on this. And now where it says obtain an IP address automatically, that's fine. And then where it says obtain DNS server address automatically, switch it from automatic to use the following DNS server. What I want to do now is change it from to 8888, and then alternate DNS server should be 8844. That will basically change it to Google's DNS server, which should be a lot better and a lot faster for what you're doing. Then once you're done with that, just press OK, and then you should be good to go. Another thing you can also try doing is turning off and unchecking Internet Protocol version 6 right here. Just turn that off and that should also help. The next thing you can also do is go to configure right there. It's going to open up this tab, then just go to advanced, and there's going to be a lot of different settings here. But from here, all you want to go ahead and do is turn off anything that is like wake on pattern match, wake on magic packet, anything that has like green Ethernet if you're using an Ethernet, anything like eco, you want to basically turn that off. And then you should have a lot faster internet speed. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.